What's up, guys? So finally I got my throttle body. Came also with the adapter plate. This adapter plate is here because if your throttle body has holes in a different spot, you use this adapter plate, put this, weld this in there, and then you're going to be able to weld the throttle body right in here. The thing for me, I did a test fit already, and 3 of those bolts fit. Dang, my English is weird now. 3 of those bolts, they fit properly, but you see they are larger than the hole, so you can kind of adjust a little bit, but one of the holes it was too much off, so I end up drilling a little bit, just expanding this guy a little bit, and I'm gonna show you how to install. But first, we need the gasket, and unfortunately I don't know if you can buy on eBay this gasket, but I mean, I don't want to waste time. I have a thing here to make the gasket. Making the gasket is going to be a different video, so I'm gonna cut here, and when I come back the gasket's gonna be done. Boom, gasket's done. So what we need to do now is we're gonna get this guy like this, and we are going to install this baby in the car. I said that same thing on the other video that I'm not posting. So 6mm, this came with the throttle body, and we're just gonna put this guy in there. Of course, as you see, this is not in the car. Car's here, and this is out there, so we're just gonna install there. So just so you see how the bolts are and the FFIM and all that stuff. I tried to find installation, like a complete installation. Dude, it's so hard to walk here, but I couldn't. So I guess this video, I hope this helps you. Alright, this is eBay FFIM, and you got the throttle body. When you open it here, the bottom opening goes to the bottom, so it opens like this. Boom, boom. So everything goes on this side. What we're gonna do is put our gasket in there, because this thing doesn't come with a gasket. So some of them comes with a rubber gasket, which would be a little better, but this one came with nothing. So let's get this guy in there. Start putting the bolts in here.
I'm gonna start walking, bud.
And my advice would be put one at a time. Of course you can put 2 at a time, and don't tighten them all. Don't tighten any of them. Just get a few threads and then go around, because this will guarantee that all of them are in. If there is any misalignment, you know, eBay. And it's pretty much it. Look at that. I'm gonna get that, this, there you go. And that's it, guys. That's how we did it. Looks awesome. I'm so excited for this. So this is ready to go in there, or almost ready. I just need a few more things. We're gonna get there. So I hope you like this video. I hope between this video and the install of the FFIM, which is this part here, this helps your build, because this here, so I have a video installing that too. So it was pretty hard for me to find everything, find information, and you know, it's like, which throttle body should I buy? And so basically you can buy almost any throttle body that is universal, of the same millimeters from the FFIM, from the Rev9. I went to the Rev9 website, and it says on their description, and not on the eBay where I bought it from. eBay or Amazon, don't remember where, but it didn't have any of it, so you don't know what to buy, where to buy. So I showed you, I bought it, I installed it, and this is going to work. Next videos I'm gonna put in the car and, you know, start connecting stuff. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, make a little comment if you have anything to say, like what would you do different, and I'll definitely answer. And you know how it goes, I'll see you around.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles.